Well, here we go. I'm going to fly the Anafi again this morning. Another flight plan. It's a beautiful morning. And I just love the way this thing flies on the flight plan. It's so smooth. Video is really smooth. I'm doing the flight plan because it's a lot easier than trying to make a smooth flight with your hands. We're gonna go most of the trip around 150 feet. There's two places at the beginning and towards the end where I gotta go over the power line, so I'm gonna raise it up to 200 in those areas. And they're pretty high voltage power lines, pretty tall. A lot of times you see people on those paddle boards out here on this lake, but I don't see anybody today. The buildings, all those buildings in the white you see ahead of you, that's the Animal Care Center. It's a animal shelter. It's the biggest one I've ever seen. Now we're getting to the other little pool. This is where they run the radio control boats, gas jobbers. Pretty exciting when they're running. And now we're approaching where the 2 circles are there on the ground. Those are for a control line airplane. They fly here most of the time. There's people out there now, it looks like, setting up. Oh, I wanted to remind everybody that I am giving away a GPS drone. It's a couple of videos back, and you can check it out in the description of this video. Thank you. And this circle all by itself is the only area in the park that they allow drones or quadcopters or helicopters or even remote control airplanes. Well, that was an interesting flight. Guess I'll bring her in. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe.